All right, guys, we're out here. It's a nice sunny day, cloudy, some patchy clouds, some scattered clouds, but a little windy, between 10 and 15 miles an hour. Not bad. Could be windier. Anyways, I got my stuff here. It's gonna be busy. I'm gonna use my regular linear antennas for now and just see how this works. And then I'll switch over to a patch maybe later if I feel the performance isn't good enough. All right. Pretty cool. We're gonna start flying pretty easy at first. Let's see if it arms. It arms all right, looks good. All right, first flight, guys. Let's see how this works. We're still recording. All right, a little bit different perspective on this thing right here, but whatever. Arm, we're in angle mode. First flight, guys, let's do it. That's funny. I'm laughing only because the signal kind of broke up a little bit. Yeah, this is not 400 milliwatts. It's smooth though, it is. Even in the wind, it's a little windy out here. And we're using like around 17 or so. You can see the wind is favoring the other way around. Anyways, I was talking about the thrust, the throttle. I'm around between 14 and 16%. So that's cool. The tune on this is good. Flies just like the Smart 35, where there's not much influence. Try a punch out. Yeah, it works good. Oh yeah, this thing is smooth, guys. Look at that, guys. It's like a leaf falling when it just comes down. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this BabyHawk is not bad, guys. Let's see how far I can get over here with just... You see, it's already breaking up, guys. Look at the wind blowing those trees. You see how strong the wind is today? It picked up since I've been here, guys. It wasn't this strong when I got here. Yikes. It's really well balanced. And I forgot what battery I have on here. I have my batteries numbered from like 1 to 5 or 6. 1 being the oldest and 5 or 4 being one of the newest ones. And I have dates on them, so I know which battery is really good. But it feels like I've been flying for a while. Have I been? The timer right now says 8 minutes. I've done some power loops and stuff like that. Jeez, nothing crazy. I wonder if this battery voltage is accurate. It just seems really high. Still, it's not going down. Still 3.7. Buzz the camera there a little bit. Good Lord, guys. It's saying 10 minutes of flight time, and it's flashing. I wonder why it's flashing. I never had one flash before. But yeah, as you said, I was flying. It feels like I've been flying for a long time. That was kind of dangerous, but I did it anyways. All right, we have some kids in the field, so we are going to come in for a nice landing. I mean, yeah, this one is picking up too. Wow, this battery is doing an amazing job. An amazing job. Definitely don't want to go by the kids. It's a little bit later than I usually come out here. I usually come out here in the morning when kids are at school. It's obviously a little bit later in the day. The drone feels really good. It feels alive. I am using the Express LRS for the first time. This is no range or challenge for this thing. Hey, I'm about to hit 12 minutes here, and as I said, I don't think I have the most efficient flying skills. I really do worry about this battery. Yeah, this VTX is the biggest disappointment so far. So guys, I've seen drones. I've flown another drone, another 3.5-inch drone actually, and I flew it in the same area here, and it claims to have a 13-minute flight time. I didn't get that, obviously. I got somewhere around 7 minutes or so. Was I this smooth? Maybe I wasn't this smooth. I don't know. I'm just doing little laps here to avoid the kids and stuff. Let's go a little lower. The wind is blowing me to the left there. I mean to the right. Oh, to the left. Guys, this thing is killing the recommended. Oh, that was a lot of breakup. And don't want to have, look at that breakup. Okay, low battery. Here we are. All right, 14 minutes and 36 seconds. Wow, that's amazing. Let me get the drone, come back here, and then take a look at it. All right, first flight in the bag, literally in the bag. All right, guys, whew, that was pretty cool. That was one of my best first flights I've had in a long time, guys. There's some stuff to work out here. The drone flew pretty good. It's windy out here. It's probably more than 15 miles an hour now, probably close to 18 to 20 miles an hour. We'll see. I'll check the weather before I leave again. But it flew good. It flew like the Smart 35. Smart 35 is very smooth, very accurate whenever you fly it. It's like a leaf. The track is good. Wherever you point it, it goes there. Doesn't get shaken up. I haven't seen any bobbles per se at all, actually. I was flying it pretty low. This is a really nice environment right now. The grass is cut, but two things. Well, there's a kid here playing, and then so I couldn't do anything aggressive. And the VTX is the biggest, not disappointment. I just gotta figure it out. I don't know if I'm on the right channel. One, I'm probably in a close enough channel. And then two, I don't think we're at 400 milliwatts. I'm going a few, not 100, more, less than 100 yards away, definitely, and it's breaking up. So we'll have to look into that, but we'll see. Besides that, it flew great. The flight characteristics is now. Let me just stop myself here. The flight time, I was blown away. I'm gonna check the battery voltage when I get home and see if it's 3.6. It should be at 3.6 right now. And first time flying an FPV drone this long on one battery. I've done, the best I've got was from the X-Night 35. That one gives off 7 minutes pretty easily. The Smart 35 is like a traditional drone, a traditional FPV. I get between 4 to 5 minutes of flight time. This thing is amazing as far as, like, I started to say, hey, I feel like I've been flying for a long time. And when I looked down, it was around 7 to 8 minutes. And that was, did I have an arm here? I don't think I had an arm on the ground for a long time. So anyways, it went to like 13 minutes. That's more than that. That's unheard of, guys. Anyways, that's just one battery. I forgot what number of battery that was. It's probably, I don't think it was my best battery. I think it was maybe one of my worst batteries, actually. So anyways, we're gonna head back home, head back to the studio, take a look at the drone, and I'll come back here and do some more flying, because that was crazy.